So in this haircut, we are going to execute some short layering. So the very first thing I'm doing is I'm taking a section in the center back, creating the length of the layers that I want in the back. So I'm gonna have the crown area be a little bit fuller than the neck area. So I'm leaving a little bit of more length at the top. Now, I'm going to work my way around the head, executing all of the short layers throughout the sides and back, and then we will take on the rest of the haircut. Alright, so now that I've done the layering on the upper half of the left side, it's now time to do the layering on the upper half of the right side. Alright, now that we have completed the layering on both the right side and the left side above the occipital bone, it is now time to address the layering below the occipital bone in the back. Now, I'm going to do some graduation as well because I do want to take the hair down by the neck a little bit tighter. So, by doing so, it's going to form more of a graduated shape. Alright, so now that the lower half below the occipital bone on the right side is complete, it's time to do the exact same thing and address the lower half under the occipital bone on the left-hand side. Alright, so now what I want to do is go through and layer up the top. So you can see I'm taking a center section from the crown basically all the way up to the forehead, and I'm combing that hair straight up and cutting in the desired length I'd like for the layers up on top. So as you can see, I'm going to take sections working my way from the center all the way to the right side, combing the hair upwards, using the previous section as my guide to know how short to take the current section, and I'm going to do this on both the right top as well as the left top, and then once I've done both the right and the left as far as the top, I will have the entire top officially completed. Alright, so we've got the right side done. Now it's time to do the left side. As far as the top, you can see I'm combing the hair straight up, over directing it to the previous section, which is really the first section in this case. The very first section that I cut at the top is going to be the section I'm over directing to as far as this section. Now, once I take the next section, I will over direct to the current section I'm cutting now. So you're always going to over direct. I shouldn't say always, it depends on what you're trying to do. In this case, I'm over directing to the previous section. So now it is time to chip in the desired outline that I'm looking for. So I'm basically just taking the tips of my scissors and kind of sketching in the desired line, the desired outline, I should say, that I'm looking for in this particular haircut. slicing out some of the hair through the bangs to lighten up the bangs so they have more of a softer, wispier look. Come to the end of another haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A short, layered haircut with some graduation in the back. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions in regards to this haircut, please feel free to put them down in the comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you guys so very much again for watching.